Welcome to the WP Week podcast, your go-to source for the latest updates from the WordPress ecosystem. Designed for WordPress agencies, developers, and enthusiasts alike, we've got you covered with all the essential news and insights you need. And a special shout out to our proud sponsor, the reliable WP Job Openings plugin, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your recruitment needs. Tune in and stay one step ahead in the dynamic world of WordPress. In today's episode, we'll cover WordPress 6.3 release, admin design and plugin approval updates, Gutenberg updates, WordPress vulnerabilities addressed, and new product launches. Hey there, happy Independence Day to all our Indian friends. It's a time to celebrate the spirit of freedom and unity. Now let's dive into some exciting news from the world of WordPress. We've got WordPress 6.3 Lionel making its grand entrance. It's named after the legendary American jazz vibraphonist Lionel Leo Hampton. This release is significant because it marks the end of the Gutenberg Phase 2. And guess what? The latest version of WordPress has its own landing page to showcase all the new features and changes. Talk about fancy. Speaking of fancy, the admin design Kickoff is making progress. Saxon Fletcher, a product designer sponsored by Automatic, has shared some captivating images and videos that explore various design concepts. It's always great to see the creative process in action. Now, let's tackle plugin approval. The WordPress plugin review team is trying to address their backlog of over 900 plugins. They've also implemented strategies to improve the approval process. Kudos to them for their dedication to maintaining the plugin ecosystem. And don't forget about Gutenberg. The latest release, Gutenberg 16.4, is here with some exciting additions. There's a new auto-inserting block in beta stage, a progress bar component, new commands in the command palette, and several other features and enhancements. Plus, they've bumped the minimum PHP version requirement to 7.0. Keeping up with the times, I see. In other news, the WordPress themes team has released a community theme called Blue Note, inspired by the iconic American jazz record label. It's always refreshing to see the WordPress community's creativity shine through. Automatic secured a spot on the list of the top 100 biggest private cloud companies of 2023. They've claimed the 68th spot, showcasing their prominent presence in the cloud space. Now let's switch gears and talk about web security and vulnerabilities. WeDevs has addressed a privilege escalation vulnerability in the WP Project Manager WordPress plugin. Kudos to them for taking quick action to keep websites safe. Avada theme and plugin have also patched multiple high and critical vulnerabilities, enhancing the security for their users. It's crucial to stay vigilant and keep those security patches updated. In a report by Sucuri, it was revealed that out of over 54 million scanned websites, over 500,000 were infected. Additionally, over 800,000 sites were found to contain blocklisted resources. Let's make sure we're doing everything we can to protect our websites. Moving on, there's some exciting new launches. Brainstorm Force has launched Spectra Pro, following the success of the Spectra free version with 500,000 active installs. It's always great to see WordPress products achieving such milestones. The WPH Helpers team, Aroba Ahmed and Brian Cords, have introduced the WordPress Core Blocks Explorer. This nifty tool allows users to explore all the WordPress core blocks and their properties in one convenient place. Talk about a handy resource for developers. Updraft Plus has released free WordPress migration features, making it easier than ever to migrate your website. ACF 6.2 introduces the ability to create options pages right from the plugin admin UI in ACF Pro. These updates continue to enhance the user experience and functionality of WordPress. Elementor 3.15 bringing along a new taxonomy filter widget, a fancy accordion widget with nested capabilities, and more styling options for carousel widgets. It's always exciting to see new features expanding the possibilities of Elementor. And speaking of expansion, Divi AI has been released. This powerful text and image generator built inside of Divi lets you create stunning imagery and fantastic content using artificial intelligence. Talk about a game changer in enhancing website design. But that's not all. Gutenforms Pro has also been launched, adding more power and flexibility to the Gutenberg Forms creation experience. I can't wait to see how it empowers users to create interactive and engaging forms. Looking ahead, mark your calendars for the CrocoBlock Summit happening from September 28th, 30, 2023. This summit will dive deep into the practical use cases of AI in various fields, such as marketing, design, and web agencies management. It's a fantastic opportunity to explore the potential of AI and how it can revolutionize different industries. And don't forget about the upcoming Page Builder Summit. From September 18th, 22, this online event will bring together experts and enthusiasts to delve into the world of page builders. It's a great chance to learn, network, and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. That's a wrap for the latest happenings in the WordPress world. Stay tuned for more exciting news and updates. Until next time, keep building and creating with WordPress. On today's episode, we covered the release of WordPress 6.3, updates on admin design, plugin approval, and Gutenberg, as well as addressing WordPress vulnerabilities. Thanks again to WP Job Openings plugin for sponsoring today's episode, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.